My first 90-second statement just before Christmas focused on Gytwynnydd Bran and the Nos Galan. With the sad death of Bernard Baldwin MBE just days after the 2016 Nos Galan, it is only fitting that I use a second statement to pay tribute to Bernard's legacy as creator of Wales' most famous racing event. Born in Barry in 1925, Bernard trained as a teacher and took up a post in Mill Street School, Pontypridd. A keen athlete, Bernard was Welsh Junior Mile Champion and spent 9 years as Secretary of the Welsh Amateur Athletic Association, representing them at the UK and around the world. He received an MBE in 1971 for services to athletics. Bernard also set up a range of athletic events. Most famous is the Nos Galan Road Race, with its commemoration of Gytwynnydd Bran and crowd-pulling mystery runner. But Bernard also established the Taff Street Dash, the Cardiff to Mountain Ash two-man relay, and too many others to list, but all of which aimed to bring athletics to the people. Bernard wrote prolifically on athletics and his adopted home of Mountain Ash, and was given the freedom of the borough by RCT in 2014. Crowds attended his funeral at St Margaret's Church last Wednesday to celebrate Bernard's memory and pay tribute to a life well lived, full of passion and service to the community. Bernard's ashes will be scattered on Gyto's grave at Llanwynod Church, and through the Nos Galan, Bernard's memory will live on.